Papa, thank you na naisip mo akong buuin.
I've seen this perfect picture in my head.
Nagkakilala kami ni Dayan 17 years ago through a friend.
Si Ian. So, nandyan siya mamaya. So, siya talaga yung naging tulay.
Turns out, mahilig din pala siyang kumanta.
Kunentuhan ko ng about music. So, doon na nagkaroon ng interest. Musically inclined kami pareho, kaya kami nag-jive.
It's all about. These are the moments we live for. Once in a lifetime, everything we want and more. This is the start of a new day, the good life. Ooh, these are the moments we live for. The moments we live for. These are the moments we live for. The moments we live for. These are the moments we live for.
Kailangan kita ngayon at kailanman. Kailangan mong malaman na ikaw lamang ang tunay kong minamahal. At tangi kong hiling ay makapiling kang muli. Kailangan kita.
Kailangan kita ngayon at kailanman. Kailangan mong malaman na ikaw lamang ang tunay kong minamahal. At
Gusto ko syempre lalaki. Kasi sabi nila pag lalaki daw, magiging kamukha ko eh. Kasi si Gabi kamukha niya.
Si Gabi kasi a blessing. Gabi makes me happy. Iba yung dating ng fatherhood nung dumating yung anak kong babae. Hindi ko inakala na ganun pala kasaya maging tatay.
Parang siguro mga twice lang kami nagkita. Tapos, ayun na, parang lagi niya ako naabutan, kumakanta ako doon. Kailangan ng pag-ibig mo dahil sa ako'y nagmamahal sa'yo. Magmula nang kita ay makilala.
Marriage is a lifetime commitment. Ang sakramentong ito ay panghabang buhay na pagtatalaga.
bakit ba ganyan? Ang ibig ko'y lagi kang pagmasdan. Umulat umaraw ay hindi pagsasawaan.
This day, I promise that you'll never have to face the world alone. B, I promise to be there to catch you if you should stumble, carry you over every threshold, and fall in love with you every day, as I always do.
Just want you to know that I'll always be here for you, for the family. You make me a better person. You actually make me feel young. With the addition to Gabi, to our family,
Kailangan ng pag-ibig mo dahil sa ako'y nagmamahal sa'yo. Magmula nang kita'y makilala.
thank you for making me a person who is very caring and very real and true. Kasi importante yun eh. Kahit anong mangyari, totoo ka sa sarili mo. We lasted this long because hindi dahil nagtimpi ako or nagtimpi ka. May mga pagkakataon na 80% yung binibigay mo, 20% lang sa akin. At may pagkakataon na 70 binibigay ko at 30 sa'yo. And naiintindihan natin yun na yung relasyon na to para mag-work, kailangan nating magbigayan sa isa't isa. I love you.
B, I pledge today to have all the patience and passion that love demands. In the laughter and in the silence, I'll be forever by your side. I take you as mine, knowing and loving all of your strengths and faults, just as I offer myself to you as yours, with all my strengths and faults. I will be there for you in your times of need. Just as I know, I can turn to you when I need a guiding hand. I love
Ewan
you.
ko, bakit ba ganyan? Damdamin ay maintindihan. Kailangan ng pag-ibig mo, dahil sa ako'y nagmamahal sa'yo.